Well, hello and a very warm welcome to you to this video. My name's Linda and I'm the author of Page Sketches for Scrapbookers and also the weekly sketch that comes out every week via email. So in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit more about how you can use the page sketches to save you time and give you inspiration. Let's get you scrapbooking rather than sitting and thinking. So let's just do a quick overview before we carry on. So using your sketches and get scrapbooking is as easy as step one, deciding on which photos you'll use for your first few pages. Step two, sorting out your supplies. And step three, getting going with your scrapbooking. Just before we carry on to the actual how to do and how you can use the sketches, just let me tell you a little bit about me. So I founded my business, Memories and Photos, 20 years ago, give or take. Gosh, it's gone quickly. And I did it because I love crafting and I love scrapbooking. And it's been a real pleasure over the years to meet so many people that are preserving their memories and their photos in scrapbooks. So if I've met you on a retreat or a workshop, welcome. If you've yet to meet me in person, you can find out more about the things I can offer you at the end of the video. So I provide simple solutions to allow busy people to enjoy their craft time. So if you've ever got frustrated that you're spending too much time planning or too much time thinking, or you can't get away from the day-to-day work of living and chores, things like that, then I'm your girl. Little interesting fact about me, I generally have a cup of tea in my hand when I'm crafting. I find it oils the wheels of my inspiration. So you'll usually find me with a cup of tea. And also, you'll normally find me barefoot in the craft room. Yes, I do have to wear shoes when I go out, but I craft better in bare feet or sometimes socks. When I'm not crafting, I also enjoy photography, which is no surprise seeing as I scrapbook, and they do go hand in hand. I travel and I enjoy cycling and swimming. I'm really proud to say I've been awarded the Gold Student Choice Award uh, for my retreats, and that's from personal reviews from people that have been. I've also been featured in different magazines and at conferences, and I've also been on BBC Three Counties Radio talking about how to preserve your photographs. Okay, let's move on. So, step one in our process is to decide on which photos we're going to use. Now, you may be already proficient at this, but if you do end up spending a lot of time deciding on what to use, here's a simple process that might get you going. And also, if you're new to scrapbooking, this is a good way to start. So the first thing to do is to actually edit your photographs. Now, what I mean by edit is have a look through them all, whether they're paper, printed, or whether they're digital ones. Review your photographs. Now, I would suggest you choose a particular event or trip to start with. Don't look at the whole lot. So just pick one project, work your way through them, and get rid of anything that's blurry, anything that doesn't make any sense to the story, that's poorly taken, or that's duplicate. You do not need 5 or 6 photos of exactly the same thing. What you're aiming to do is to tell a story. So work out which pictures tell the story that you're going to try and put on the page. Once you've done the editing, sort them into some kind of order. Now, if you're